In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Schwab Margin. Margin at Charles Schwab lets you borrow against the investments you already own so you can buy more stock than your cash alone would allow. Think of your existing portfolio as collateral. In many cases, this gives you roughly 2 times your cash in buying power, which is often called 2-to-1 leverage. It can amplify gains, but it can also magnify losses, so understanding how it works is key. To get started, you'll first enable Margin on your account. Log into your Schwab account, navigate to Profile or Service, then Account Settings, and select Margin and Options. From there, apply for margin trading approval. You typically need at least $2,000 of account equity, and approval is based on your risk profile and experience. Take a moment to read Schwab's margin agreement so you're comfortable with the terms and risks before you proceed. Once approved, it's important to understand your buying power. With standard margin rules, you can generally borrow up to 50% of the purchase price of margin-eligible stocks. For example, if you deposit $1,000, you may be able to buy around $2,000 worth of stock. That extra $1,000 is borrowed on margin. Keep in mind, not every security is eligible for margin, and requirements can vary by stock or market conditions. When you're ready to place a trade using margin, go to Trade and open the all-in-one trade ticket. Enter the stock symbol, such as AAPL, choose Buy, enter the number of shares, and then select Review, followed by Place Order. Behind the scenes, if you have enough cash, the trade settles without using margin. If the order exceeds your cash, Schwab automatically lends you the difference, and you now have margin debt on the account. After you begin trading, make a habit of monitoring your margin. Go to Accounts and then Balances. Watch your cash balance, your margin balance. If you see a negative number there, that means you've borrowed. And your margin buying power, which shows how much you can still purchase on margin. Keeping a healthy cushion can help you avoid stress if markets move quickly. Finally, understand how margin interest works. You pay interest daily on any borrowed amount, and the rate depends on how much you've borrowed. There's no fixed repayment schedule unless required by the firm, but paying down your margin balance sooner reduces interest costs. Rates can change, so check Schwab's current rate schedule. Used thoughtfully, margin can be a flexible tool. Start small, monitor your balances closely, and make sure you're comfortable with the risks before scaling up.